I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a licensed track that fits your video's mood and length. Pick royalty-free or purchased music to avoid strikes. Next, import both your video and the audio file into the editing timeline on separate tracks so you can tweak them independently. Once done, scrub the timeline to a few key points and place markers where beats or transitions should align, because syncing early saves time later. Make sure to save a version project file before major edits. You now focus on syncing and balancing. Align waveform peaks or beat markers to your edit points so music accents enhance cuts. Then set a baseline music level around -18 dB when dialogue exists, and automate volume envelopes to duck the music during speech. Once done, add short fades on clip edges and crossfades between music clips to avoid pops. Make sure to preview scenes at conversation volumes and adjust attack/release on ducking to keep natural-sounding transitions. You finish by exporting a short test render with the final codec and watch full scenes to check balance and pacing. Once done, confirm final loudness meets platform norms and add music credits in the description to document licensing. If you notice issues like popping, clipping, or inconsistent levels, resample problem clips to 48K HZ, apply a gentle limiter, or re-render the offending music segment. Make sure to save a final backup and keep the project organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.